Hi, in this video you will see how you can download images from Bing Image Search. Now in my last video we saw how we can do it using Google Images. Sometimes what happens Google changes their policies and maybe disables image downloading. So you may want an alternate channel to download images, and you might require these images for your image classification task. You are building a custom image classifier and you may need it. So in this video we'll see how we can do it using Microsoft Bing. So what I'm doing is first I'm installing a package Bing Image Downloader, and I already installed it over here. So next what I'm going to do is I am going to make a directory called images in my current folder. Then what I'm doing is from the Bing Image Downloader packages I downloaded, I am importing downloader, and in the downloader what I'm doing is I'm calling the download method, and I am feeding in elephants as in Africa as my search criteria. So it's going to search for all the elephants in Africa, and it's going to kind of download those images. I am limiting to 5 images now, so that this video can run faster. You can but use it for 100 images or whatever number of images you like. I'm telling my output directory as images, so it's going to download the images and put it within the images directory. And then I'm telling adult filter off, so basically any adult content remove it. And I'm telling just force replace false, so don't replace it. So now when I hit download, it's going to go and download the images from Bing Images. So you can see it has already downloaded the first category. It has downloaded all the elephants in Africa. Similarly, what I'm going to do is I'm also going to download kangaroos in Australia. So think I'm trying to build an image classifier that can identify elephant versus kangaroo. So I'm downloading kangaroos in Australia. I'm giving the same limit, like download 5 images, and it's going to go and download 5 images. And once it is done, basically, yeah, it has completed downloading 5 images. Sometimes what may happen is, even though this is not a error over here, but sometimes what may happen, some website will not allow to download, so it may get timed out, but it may keep moving to the next one. So it may kind of looks like it's hanging, but it's actually not. It is only that it's waiting for that particular image download to time out before going to next. Now let's go to the images directory that I created. And in the images directory, if you see, like, it has two folder: elephants in Africa, that is my search criteria, and kangaroo in Australia, that is also my search criteria. Let me go inside each of this image folder, and you can basically see like there are 5 images in each. Right, so basically we are given fly criteria, there are 5 images in each. If you are given 100, there will be 100 images in each. Now what I can do is I can either convert it into NumPy, or I can use Keras from image generator to directly load the folder, or convert to NumPy, or any format TF record over here. I'm quickly going to visualize one image of each. So this is from elephants in Africa folder. I am just using the IPython display command, and if you see, like, this is the image that got downloaded. And similarly, I'm going to also do the image search in kangaroos in Australia, and see, this is the image that got downloaded over here. And what you can do is I'm going to import the packages, so that I'll be able to convert it into NumPy object, so that I can feed it into any model. So that is also possible. For that, I'm just importing few packages over here: NumPy package, glog, and bytes.io, an image to read the file. And then I'm creating an function. The function is basically load the image into NumPy array. So what it's going to do is it's going to yeah, take input as each image. It's going to open the image. It's going to convert that into a byte object, calculate the image size, and then do an np.array. So this will return an NumPy array. And the next one, what I'm doing is I'm going to this particular part. So I'm taking all the images that are there. The star means it's a wild character. All the images within the elephants in Africa folder. I am initializing an empty array object, an empty list object. So that is this value, and then I'm using glog to read the elephant image path and get each and every image, and then call the load image into NumPy method, so that it will give me a NumPy array, and then populate the empty list I had created. Right, so this will kind of take all the objects and create an NumPy array for me. And then the next one, what I can do is I can just plot it to see like what are all the images that got downloaded. Similarly, we can also do it for kangaroo, but I'm just going to do it for elephants. So this kind of converting into NumPy array each and every image takes time. So what you can do is you can maybe parallelize this with the multi-threading or something like that to do it fast, right? Or you can like kind of write a complete batch program that can parallelly read the images or split the images and do it. So these are all the elephant images that got downloaded using the Bing search. Yeah, that's it about this video. Thank you very much.